of equation. This equation relate equilibrium constant with temperature. We know free energy of the reaction delta G related to standard free energy of the reaction according to the equation delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q, where Q is the reaction quotient. At equilibrium, delta G equal to 0 at equilibrium. Q reaction quotient becomes equal to equilibrium constant K. So, 0 equal to delta G 0 equal to delta G naught plus RT ln K, or delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. This equation relates standard free energy of the reaction and the equilibrium constant. We know delta G naught is equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. Substitute this equation in this. So we get delta H naught minus T delta S naught equal to minus RT ln K, or minus RT ln K equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. Divide both sides by minus RT. So minus RT minus RT it cancel. So we get ln K only here. So ln K equal to delta H naught by minus RT minus delta S naught by minus RT. Here minus minus get cancel, T get cancel. So we get ln K is equal to minus delta H naught by RT plus delta S naught by R. Okay, differentiating this equation with respect to temperature. Differentiate with respect to temperature T. So, d by dt of ln K, equilibrium constant varies with temperature. So, it is variable. Okay. So, d by dt of ln K is equal to minus delta H naught by R d by dt of 1 by T plus delta S naught d by dt of delta S naught by R. So we get d by dt of ln K is equal to minus delta H naught by R. We know d by dx of x power of n, differentiation of x power of n is n into x power of n minus. Here, this is 1 by t is nothing but t to the power minus 1. So, d by dt delta S naught by R. So, d by dt of ln K is equal to minus minus delta h naught by r differentiation of which was t to the power of minus 1 with respect to the failure. That is d by dt of t to the power of minus 1 is equal to, according to the equation, minus 1 e power minus 1 minus 1. So we get minus 1 t to the power of minus 2, okay, plus d by dt of delta s naught by r. This is constant. Delta s naught by r is a constant. Differentiation of the constant is 0. So we get d by dt of ln k is equal to minus delta h naught by r minus t to the power of minus 2 is 1 by t square. Okay. So we multiply minus minus plus, we get so multiply this, okay, we get d by dt of ln k is equal to delta h naught by rt square. This is differential form of the Bantoff equation. Differential form. Next. Now, if we integrating between the limits, that is, when temperature T1 gets to the equilibrium constant K1, at temperature T2, equilibrium constant K, d ln K equal to delta h naught by rt square cross multiply dt. Okay, now integrating using this limits, d ln K limit K1 to K2 equal to delta h naught by r integral of 1 by t square dt limit t1 to t2 k1 to k2 integral of d ln k limits k1 k2 equal to delta h naught by r. We write this nothing but t to the power of minus 2 dt. Next, we know integral of x power n dx equal to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is integration formula for x power of n dx. So we get similarly integration of dx equal to x. So we get a d ln k integration, we get ln k limits k1 k2 equal to delta h naught by r integration of t to the power of minus 2, we get using this formula t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 limits t1 to t2. Okay, substitute a limit ln k2 minus ln k1 equal to delta h naught by r t to the power of minus 1 by minus 1. Okay. This is log k2 by k1 equal to delta h naught by r t power of minus 1 is 1 by t. So we get minus 1 by t limit t2 t1 to t2. So log k2 by k1 is equal to delta h naught by r, substitute limit minus 1 by t2 minus of minus 1 by T1. So we get ln K2 by K1 equal to delta H naught by R minus 1 by T2 minus minus plus 1 by T1. Okay, ln K2 by K1 is equal to delta H naught by R. We can write this as 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay. Now take LCM. So delta H naught by R, ln K2 by K1 equal to delta H naught by R. Take LCM. T1, T2, T2 minus T1. Okay. If we convert exponential logarithm to natural logarithm, 2.303 log, take base 10, K2 by K1 equal to delta H naught by R, T2 minus T1 by T1, T2. Last step, we can write log K2 by K1 equal to delta H naught by 2.303. So it is it. So we get logarithm of K2 by K1 base 10 equal to delta H naught by 2.303 or T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Okay. This is the integrated form of the Banach equation. Thank you.